Okay, wait, how do I say it? Hello, people. I just bought the Transformers today, and we're gonna open some.
Oh yeah, this is a dynamic duo here.
So, the Autobots versus Maximals, isn't that funny, guys?
Super funny. Love it. We are going to open some of these today and show you how to transform some, but we're not going to show you everything, just some of the things.
Yes, so if Optimus Prime days, oh no, this is the be the same.
Yeah, pretty much the same. So stay tuned. Here we go. That's my hand. So here we have Scourge. He's a Terracon, and he's probably a bad guy, right?
He's a bad guy. So, he's a Terracon.
Terracon, yeah, that's right. I think we said it right.
So, his name is Surge. The Autobots stopped him for destroying the world. So, Megatron is only for Autobots, Decepticons, because Optimus is Decepticon.
That's right. So he tried to destroy the world, but the Autobots stopped him. So
yeah.
Here he is.
So,
this is him as in a vehicle mode, right?
Yeah. So he's a truck. Optimus Prime says from the same gene as that guy.
Yeah, he's pretty much like Optimus Prime here. Check him out. Look at all his cool features here. He can spin. And then he has this claw thing in the back.
But he is a Terracon.
A Terracon, yeah. So we don't like him because he's evil.
Yeah, he's evil, but you don't watch the movie.
You gotta watch the movie, yeah. All right, y'all, check it out. We're gonna transform him.
Let's go! Okay, so here we go. This is Surge. So he is a Terracon, but he fights Autobots, but he's a Terracon, I think, but his weapons, do you see his sword that's in it?
Oh, the sword right there? Oh, yeah.
Do you see that claw thingy? So he does this to Optimus Prime in the movie, and then he almost does that to the watch. The watch, he's an Autobot.
Yeah, we'll introduce him a little bit later, but check out this knife that he has here. This is one of his cool gadgets. He also has that claw hand.
So, he is a Maximal.
Woo!
So here he is. He sets from to the gorilla. So here we go. He sets from to a cheetah.
Yeah, so this is, what's his name?
Optimus Prime, he is the leader of the Maximals.
Oh, so he's a Maximal, and his name is Optimus Primal. Check it out. That's awesome.
Yeah, and he has a big sun red right here.
Is that his Transformer stand?
Yeah, that's also his head.
Oh, okay. This is how he transforms. Are you going to show us how it transforms now?
Yeah, so
Here
that's how he transforms. Put the hands down. He showed to the gorilla.
Wow, look at that. You're really good at this.
So here is Silver One. What style is the Maximal? But
Check out all his
here he is.
features. Look at that. What is that red circle on his chest?
I think it's a button.
Oh, it's a button. Yeah. Check him out.
So here's Sita.
Cheetor. Okay.
He's a maximal.
Okay, so he's also a maximal.
Yeah, so he's very small. And there he is.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you gonna transform him?
Yeah, that's how he starts from.
Look at that. You're so good at this.
I know I am. Because look at that one word. Sports.
So what are you doing here?
Transforming into a robot. So when I first bought it, I didn't know how to transform it. My dad transformed it.
And then you learn?
So, thanks for watching. Oh, and watch someone else's video. This was good. What? Seeing you guys. Gita, you're way the slow one. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
Peace.